Okay, so if you've clicked on this video, probably yes because you're watching. So you're here to make some icons. So let's just start. First step, let's open Google. Please, Google don't betray me. Let's try making YouTube. Search for Google Transparent. Wait, what? Yeah, YouTube Transparent emoji. Transparent logo. I don't know why, but this came to my mind, so I thought let's give it a try. Color doesn't really matter. Get into tools, size, and make large. So this way only the good things will come. I mean what we can use. So we can search over here. Let's try this one. 920 by 920. This thing should work. Let's just save that image. And we would like to save it like, let's just call it YouTube logo. Wow, logo. Save that thing. Once you have saved that, you wanna get into edit and preferences. Okay, let's not do it that way. Delete this thing, go Shift A, and then here, empty image, yeah, image and reference. So now you will just casually go there and open up the logo. Once you have done that, I have been betrayed. Okay, never mind, we don't need that anyways. So I did Alt R, Alt G, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we can start with our modeling. We deleted the default cube. Oh man, I miss it. Scale on the Y. Scale on the X. Tab into edit mode. I might sound really bad, so no more singing. Just select those sides, hit Ctrl P, scroll up, add some smoothing edges. Okay, I've rigged up. Ctrl Z, Ctrl B, roughly until we're there. As you can see, that's pretty good. Done with that. Turn off X-ray. S and Z. That should be thin. I don't really care. Okay, next we'll bring in a circle. Add in 3. Done with that. Let's select that circle. Let's go G and Z. YouTube play button. Okay, turn on that. Let's go R and Z. Move it right there. Scale it down. G and Z. Wait, what? Y. Yeah, sorry. S and Y. G and Y. Align that thing up. Just so that it sits pretty well. Next, we'll turn on X-ray, turn off X-ray if it's on, tab into edit mode, E, Z, extrude to a random length, Alt select F, tab, select that, or actually select that, hit Boolean right here, object Q, circle, Now if you are to G and Z, turn on X-ray, you can see nothing because object viewport display as wire, and union intersect, sorry, something's wrong. I can Alright, never mind. Select this guy RY 180, and now it's facing that side, so we'll go RZ 180. Now if we're to do G and C and intersect, alright, frick, delete that. Let's just model that thing out, cause why not? Tab, I have no idea what I'm doing. Shift A, circle, vertices 3, let's leave it the way that is. Rotation Z, we'll just move it right there, and done. So now we can select that thing, tab into edit mode, scale it down, top view, G, SX, GX, GY, SY, SX, GX, tab, E, tab, E, Z. F. That's a YouTube, nice and funny. Tab into edit mode, select that plain X, delete, we're done. You'll say there's no difference. Come into that mode, buddy, you'll learn. Let's just get in here, add in a new texture, base color red, because it's YouTube we're talking about. Metallic YouTube, for some reason. Roughness down, not that much, yeah, that much. Freaking blackish, dark color. Okay, so with that, shade that thing smooth, and it should look weird. Under this, normal, auto smooth. That fixed that issue, so that we can focus on this. Tab into edit mode, select the top face, hit I, scale, yeah. Next, get in here, add in a new texture, add in another texture, make it new and assign. Let's make it black, not metallic but less roughness, and Ctrl I, select the other texture and hit assign. We will need to do some realistic gold. I don't know why, but let's try it with this texture. So we'll give it some bump. Shift A, noise texture. Shift A, bump. Bring in the bump. Factor to the height, normal to the normal. Please forgive me and tell me what's wrong in the comments if I'm wrong. Like if I need to connect the color for some reason. That looks bad. because scale 50. And now it looks even worse. Distortion 320. And now somehow that looks cool. Let's just get into Z, layout, Z. Wait, this guy's way too long. Okay, so Blender is not responding. It will happen if you don't have the OK PC or if you're working on a potato PC. So just save your project. Let's call it YouTube logo and save that thing. So once you have saved your weirdness, select the base color, make it dark, take metallic, make it 1. Please don't crash. Okay, that looks. That doesn't look good. Nah, it looks good. Just kidding. Next, we'll select this guy. Base color yellowish. You know what I'm going for, right? Which you don't. Okay, take the roughness down about there. And in shading, we'll just select that. Select this. Wait, now I know why it's not working. Control D. Done. Control S, save that thing. Change it to object. Done with that, select this guy. Shift D, right here. Shift D. Color ramp. Here. Factor to the factor. I use factor because it's like black and white. Color into the roughness. Okay, we've not got something very interesting, so let's push the reflections. Okay, next we will get this gold, or actually in here, select this whole thing that we have done. Shift D, Control X, select this gold texture, Control V. Control C, get into the gold and Control V. And for some reason this is a glitch to me. We'll get in here and plug in the respective map. Save your project first. One more thing, why it doesn't look the best might be the distance. It might have been too much to look cool. Taking it down slowly. Let's see, 0 looks that. So let's try 0.005. Yeah. Now you're talking good. We're gonna render the cycles anyway, so no worries. Select that gold, distance 0.005. Okay. 0.005. That range. Next, we'll get into this texture right here. And I wanna try and make it emissive, but for the sake of this video, no. Take the roughness up a bit, make it metallic-ish. Let's try white and red. Nah, that doesn't look really good. Okay, so take that down, Black YouTube. That looks way too premium for YouTube, to be honest. Let's try adding stripes. Cause, I don't know, you want them. Okay, why can't we cut it from the top? Okay, we can't cut it from the top, awesome. Let's just make the whole thing golden. Because, why not? And once you've done that, that looks pretty cool. Get into top view. Go Control Alt 0 and snap that camera. Hit G and Shift Z to move it and make it come right in there. Render engine changing to cycle, saving the thing. Camera type orthographic scale. Really dig into your logo. What's going on? Leave it right there. Once you're done with that, save that and hit render view to get the hell out of your PC. Delete that thing. Get in here, color, environment texture, open up a HDRI. So I'll just get in here textures and whatever. Get in here. I'll give a good one right in the description. So we've added one in and it isn't the best. So let's try another one. It would be a good idea to save your project. And under film, come right here, film, check transparent. Friend, please listen to me. Please don't lie down. Okay, that looks good. Save your project and hit F12. So yeah, we'll meet on to the next one.